Hi, in this video, I will give you an overview of the Related List widget for our WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension. In the Contacts module, we have the Easy WorkDrive Related List. If I click here, I can see the extension widget. This is the root folder for the current record. There are currently no files or folders inside this folder, so it appears empty in the widget. If we go to WorkDrive and open the corresponding record folder, you can also see that there are no items inside it. The first thing we can do is create a new folder directly from the CRM widget. Enter the folder name and click Create. We can also upload files directly from here. The widget provides both list view and grid view. In grid view, you can see small previews of image files. For PDF files, the widget displays a PDF icon. You can click on an image to view its full preview inside the widget. You can also preview PDF files in the same way. The widget also allows you to search for files and folders. For example, I can search for print or image to quickly find the required item. You can also rename a file directly from the widget. The changes are applied to WorkDrive at the same time. If we check WorkDrive, you can see that the file name has also been updated there. You can copy a file and paste it into another folder. Another useful feature is attachment syncing. First, I will upload a file to the CRM Attachments section. Now I will click Sync Attachments. The extension will download the attachment from Zoho CRM and upload it to the corresponding WorkDrive folder. You can also delete files directly from the Related List widget. You can also create share links for the current folder. For example, you can create a download-only share link. If I open this folder URL, you can see that it provides a download option. You can also create a full access share link. The same sharing options are available for individual files. You can also download files directly from the widget. These are the main features of the Related List widget in WorkDrive for Zoho CRM.